Let's all go trap some fish and cook some fried fish with me and the kids. There's shrimp here too. Today is a wonderful day. The weather is beautiful. So I went fish trapping to have some fried fish to eat with the kids. A whole bunch of fish here. There are so many fish in the lake near my house. So if you want to eat, you just need to bring a net and trap them. Hello everyone, it's me Tong again, 30 years old, the poorest YouTuber in the world. And today, I'll be using these net traps to catch some fish. Today I'm going to set 3 fish traps and wait until tomorrow to harvest the fish to see if we get a lot, guys. This type of trap is very simple. When fish swim in to eat the food, they won't be able to get out. This is the lake next to my house. I'll set it right near the shore because this type of trap mainly catches small fish. And in my lake, there are a lot of these small fish. If you want to eat, you just need to bring the trap and set it. If you want to catch a lot of fish, you should add some bait into the trap to attract more fish to swim in. This type of trap is called a bag net in my hometown. There are so many fish in the lake. They're swimming to the surface to breathe. So tomorrow could be a bumper harvest for me. Come along with me to go harvest them. I've been waiting since yesterday, very excited to go check the traps I set in the lake. And now I'm going to check my traps. Here, as I pull it up, my first impression is that there are so many fish. As you can see in the video, a whole bunch of fish. Fresh fish are still flopping around inside the fish trap. There's shrimp here too. Although they aren't big fish, this species is incredibly delicious when cooked, guys. Here, there are so many fish, so I had to bring another basket to hold them. This is the first trap. Oh my god, so many fish. Doesn't it look exciting to you guys? For me, every time I go fishing like this, I feel extremely happy and thrilled. A traditional way of catching fish for locals in Vietnam is to trap them using nets like these. And this could be called another food source for poor people in a rural area like where I live. Given the harsh economic conditions, using these traps to get food from the fish in the ponds and lakes around our area, it's a pretty reasonable option for low-income residents like us because it saves money on buying food while still ensuring enough nutrients for everyone. Although this species of fish is very small, if you know how to cook it, it's actually very delicious, guys. Today I'm going to catch this species of fish to make a dish called crispy fried fish, guys. I'll set it again, guys. After pouring out the fish, I'll place the trap back in its old spot so that maybe tomorrow or the day after I'll check it again and there will be fish too. Yeah. Here, look guys, the fish are still flopping all around. This is my second trap. This trap didn't get as much as the previous one, mostly just river shrimp and a few fish. Put it down here. That's right. If you guys ever have the chance to visit Vietnam, come to my area and I'll take you fish trapping like this. It'll be a very exciting experience for you all. Mọi người. Catching fish with your own hands and cooking them into dishes in a wild environment like where I live. It'll be an experience for you to remember every time you think of Vietnam. Awesome. Here, do you want some fried fish later?
Chiên để chi cho xương nữa thì xương nó giòn hơn.
Ở hồ này thì cũng có nhiều cá to. There are also many big fish in this lake, but to catch them, we have to use a different fishing net. And next is the last fish trap. This one has so many fish in it, a whole bunch of fish. You could say it had the most out of the 3 traps I set. There's shrimp here too. In the lake, the population of this fish species is huge, so I don't need to place the traps too far apart. They just need to be about 10 meters apart and it's okay. Yeah, take a look guys, a whole load of fish. With just 3 traps, I can harvest around 1 to 2 kg of fish. Whoa, there's a big one there. With this amount of fish, today, the kids and I will have a very delicious meal. Hey, scoop it up, scoop it. Just 3 nets are enough to eat for a whole day. Honestly, for poor people like me to pursue this YouTube path, I always choose to make videos about real life to share with everyone what the life of the people in my hometown and the kids here are like. Fresh fish flopping all around right here. Here's a fish. With 3 traps, I caught a lot of fish. Here, take a look guys. These fish here are called minnows guys. They're extremely fresh. Super fresh. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a super simple fried fish dish with just fish and crispy frying batter. As you watch the video, please remember to like and share it for me so that I can be motivated to make more video for you guys. I'll take the fish to wash it clean, then coat it in a thin layer of butter to deep fry it in oil. This is the method for making delicious crispy fried fish that I often use. So today I have a crispy fried fish meal with the cost of $0 because I caught the fish myself and we already had frying batter at home. I wonder if people in America have ever eaten river fish dishes like this. As far as I know, very few people eat river fish. But in Vietnam, fish from rivers and lakes have become a traditional dish or an everyday meal for everyone. In a meal, there's usually either fish or meat. Those are the main dishes, eaten with rice by Vietnamese people. These fish are small, so mostly when eating them, in my area we don't need to clean the guts, but we'll cook them directly. Since the water in this lake is natural, there's absolutely no residential or factory wastewater entering the lake. So the fish are very clean and safe. Just fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes and the fish will be cooked with a very delicious crispiness. If this dish is eaten with chili sauce or ketchup, is absolutely amazing. For those who like to drink, well, this dish would be a dish that goes with beer very perfectly. After frying for a while, my fish are cooked, so I'll scoop them out and fry a few more batches. Watching the kids eat, it looks so delicious, guys. Today we have crispy fried fish eaten with ketchup and a close-up. Thank you everyone for watching my video up to this point. If you found it enjoyable, please remember to give me a like, a share and a follow. And please follow my journey doing YouTube from zero. Hello everyone, I'm Thong. I'm from Vietnam. I am currently the poorest YouTuber in the world, and I will try my best to achieve some kind of success on the YouTube platform. Let's taste the fish together with me, guys. The fish is crispy, and dipping it in chili sauce or ketchup makes it absolutely perfect, guys. This dish eaten with a hot bowl of Vietnamese rice is extremely delicious. There, look at the scenery in my hometown, guys. The trees, the lake, the nature, everything is just wonderful. If you guys ever have the chance, come to Vietnam and I'll welcome you with this crispy fried fish dish.
Thôi túi đựng về, túi đựng không?